Today on the live stream, we're talking about payouts with Take Profit Trader, and I was really surprised a lot of traders did not know this. However, first, I want to remind you guys right now, Take Profit Trader is having a 50% sale off all their valuation accounts. If you use the link in the description box down below, it'll bring you to the Take Profit's website, and you'll see the banner up here where it says use code epitome. Left click on that, and then the bottom right hand corner of your screen, you'll see it's already been copied to your clipboard, so it'll be ready to use during checkout. Now, when we come over, we start looking at withdrawals with Take Profit Trader. And again, like I said, this really has me surprised today during the live stream. Also remind you guys, I stream live each day the market is open, so make sure you're subscribed and have the bell notification turned on for all if you don't want to miss the next time I go live. But we can see in the test account, there is no withdrawals. No wonder, it's a test account. It is not in the funded stage. However, once we get moved to the pro account, you can receive a payout on day number 1. The same thing with the Pro Plus account. Now, the difference between the Pro and Pro Plus account, one is a live sim account. The Pro Plus account, your orders are routed to the exchange, so it is essentially a live account. So let's talk about what constitutes when you're available to go ahead and take a withdrawal. And for that, I'm going to come up here to these accounts. And in this example, let's take a look at the 50K account. Right here, you can see we have an end of the day drawdown of $2,000. Now, why I want to bring up the drawdown amount, this is going to be the buffer. And if we come right over here to the rules page, you can see the buffer requirement in the test account right here, none. Why? Because there is no chance of getting a payout. However, in the pro account, yes, there is a buffer requirement. And that brings us right to this page right here. The buffer is essentially your drawdown amount. So once you've made $2,000, that $2,000 is the buffer amount. Anything above and beyond 2,000, we can then go ahead and request a withdrawal as soon as day number 1. So let's say on day number 1 in the 50K account, if you're in the pro account, if you made $3,000 at the end of your trading session on day number 1, you could essentially request a payout for $1,000. Well, Mike, why only $1,000? Well, it's very simple. If you made $3,000 and we know the buffer is $2,000, the buffer is how much you have to keep in the account. We subtract 2,000 from 3,000, that leaves us with $1,000. Now you may be saying, Mike, why are they making me leave a buffer in the account? That's my money. I earned it. I should be able to take it out whenever I want, including on day number 1. Well, the reason for that is we come right back over here and we look at these rules where it says environment. We're in a sim account. And if they decide to move you over to a live account, they need to make sure that you have money in the live account so that you have some drawdown. What good would it be to be moved to a live account and essentially have an account with $1 in it? As soon as you place trade number 1, poof, there we go, that live account. So that is a reason, unlike a lot of other prop firms out there, Take Profit Trader has a clear path to moving traders over to a live account. Now I'm in the back end of Tradevate where I can go ahead and monitor my drawdown and also show you guys how close one of the accounts are to making withdrawal. The first 2 accounts right up here are 150K accounts. And now I've been able to get the entire drawdown back. It wasn't too long ago where these accounts took quite a hit on one of my tilt sessions. Then we come down, we look at the 50K account, right? Here's the other account. Right here, you can see I essentially have $2,000 of drawdown with 50K accounts. Right now I have $1,997. If we look at the cash amount right now in the account, $51,725. So essentially I need another $275. Then anything above and beyond that price point, I can then go ahead and start requesting a payout from that 50K account. Now my goal is I'm hoping to be able to get 5 150K accounts. You can see right here, here's the other 2 150K accounts I'm slowly working on. I'm not trying to pick up the bat and hit home runs, just slow, steady base hits to go ahead and get these accounts to the funded stage. Like I said earlier, I went on a tilt session. I almost lost a lot of these accounts. So now I'm just in the process of slow grinding, trying to get them back and get them over the drawdown, AKA the buffer. That way, so I can then start to request payouts from Take Profit Trader. And with Take Profit Trader, if we would like, you can request a payout every single day that you're above the buffer zone. Now, if you'd like to learn about the intraday trailing drawdown rule, what it is, and how to beat it with Take Profit Trader, then make sure to watch this video right here.